Hello, fourth graders. I hope you guys are having a great start to your Tuesday morning. Today I'm going to go through directions on what you need to do for class. Walking in the door today, you were supposed to have slides 1 through 6 completed so that we could work specifically on slide 7. So today what you are going to do is the very first thing you're going to do is you are going to get a piece of computer paper from Mrs. Kiosk. Then, after you get that piece of paper, you're going to get out your color pencils. You were supposed to bring your color pencils today. Hopefully you did that. If you did not, you will need to go back to your classroom and get those. After you get your color pencils and your paper, you're going to create a food chain. Your food chain needs to have at least 4 links in it. If you want to have more, if you want to have 5, 6, 7 links, that's fine. But you need to have at least 4 links in your food chain. Once you have your picture done, you're going to come down to your application folder. You're going to scroll down and you're going to find the icon that says photo booth. You're going to go ahead and click on that and it will come up and look like this. Now this is an example of my food chain. You can see I have 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have my title, I have my name. I started with grass. The mouse eats the grass, the snake eats the mouse, and the hawk eats the snake. So that's my example. I have 4 links in there. You may do as many links as you want. And I did kind of like a forest type thing. If you want to do a sea habitat, that's fine. If you want to do a tundra habitat, that's fine. If you want to do a rainforest habitat, that's just fine. If you want to do a desert habitat, totally fine. I just chose a forest, so this is what I chose. Once you have that, you're going to hold it up. You're going to try to get your fingers out of it as much as you can, and you're going to hit this button right here. Go ahead, it's going to take a picture. Once it takes the picture, I'm going to go ahead and click on it and drag it down, and then I can go ahead and close this. Then I'm going to bring up my Keynote project. Now, hopefully, again, you have slides 1 through 6 done. I just have blank slides. I'm just doing this as an example. I'm going to go ahead and add my 7th slide. My title is going to be Food Chain Example. I don't need a subtitle. I can get rid of that. And I actually really don't even need a text box. Then I just simply click and drag. It will go ahead and insert it. For this one, you do not need any text. You just need to insert the picture example like that, and you are all set. So that is what your 7th slide is like. Now, you still need to have a background, so I still would want to put a background color in there. Maybe I do something like that. Maybe to make this look extra special, we talked about how we can add a border. So maybe I want to add a picture frame border around it, and maybe I want to do something like this or that, just to make it look a little extra special in there. That's just fine, okay? But I don't need to do anything else real specific other than to get my example made. You need to have my food chain. You need to have at least 4 links, your name on it. You need to take a picture of it, get it on here. You do need to have a transition, so I'm going to go ahead and add a transition, and you need to have a build. So I'm going to go ahead and add a build in here, and I'm going to do this one. There we go. And now that slide is all set. So your job today, by the end of class today, is to have all 7 slides done. Next class, we're going to work on adding sound. So that will be the piece that we will add next time. And we'll go from there. I hope you guys, like I said, have a great day. If you have any questions, feel free to write them in Google Classroom. I can't promise I will get to them today, as Emily is having surgery today So it might be a few days, but feel free to ask Mrs. Kia so you can rewatch the video if you need to, and we'll go from there. You guys have a great rest of the day. Bye-bye.